Hello, explorers! Let's go on a safari through Africa and meet all the amazing animals from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's roar together. Hey, hey, hey! Oh, 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 oh. A is for antelope running free. B is for baboon up in a tree. C is for cheetah lightning fast. D is for dumb beetle rolling past. E is for elephant mighty and tall. F is for flamingo, pink for all. G is for giraffe reaching high. H is for hippo splashing nearby. A to H, come sing with me. Wild and proud in Africa, see. Clap and stomp so happily. It's the African ABC. Oh, 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 oh. I is for impala leaping away. J is for jackal hunting at day. K is for kingfisher bright and small. L is for lion, the king of all. M is for meerkat standing tall. N is for nyala near the waterfall. O is for ostrich with legs so strong. P is for pelican singing along. From I to P, come sing with me. On the plains and by the tree. Roar and chirp so joyfully. It's the African ABC. The sun is hot, the sky so wide. Animals roam side by side. From desert sands to jungle green. Africa's the wildest dream. Q is for quail, hiding low. R is for rhino, horns that glow. S is for serval, silent and neat. T is for tortoise, slow on his feet. U is for urchin by coral reef. V is for vervet monkey with mischief. W is for wildebeest, strong and proud. X is for xeris, calling loud. Y is for yellow baboon, swinging on, swinging high. Z is for zebra, with stripes to the sky. A to Z across the land, roaring sounds and golden sand. Sing together wild and free, it's the African ABC. A to Z across